At Eladiet, we transform nature into innovation and well-being, a vision that now reaches beyond borders. Everything begins with rigorous quality control. Every raw material undergoes a meticulous reception and testing process to ensure the highest standards of quality and traceability. We transform knowledge into precise processes, supported by scientific evidence and a deep understanding of each client's needs. We turn concepts into market-ready solutions, with quality assured at every stage. Thanks to our cutting-edge technologies, we develop advanced dosage forms from liquid-filled capsules with pellets to tablet-in-tablet, bilayer and trilayer tablets. We deliver optimized dosing, maximum stability, and high-quality solutions tailored to every need. Our expertise also extends to liquid formulations, manufactured and packaged in formats such as liquid sticks, bottles, sprays, and drops, with scientific rigor applied throughout every stage of the process. Within our R&D and laboratory facilities, science drives every step, while innovation shapes the future of well-being through rigorous analysis and an unwavering commitment to quality. As a 360-degree CDMO partner, we transform ideas into finished products through a fully integrated approach. Eladiet moves forward with a clear vision to lead a new era of well-being through innovation, technology, and sustainability. Eladiet, innovation that transforms well-being.